Welcome to the Slant Hydronic Explorer web app, an easy-to-use tool that lets you quickly calculate a project's heating load requirements. The heat loss calculator will help you custom tailor your baseboard and boiler needs and assist you in your product selections. The first thing you need to do is log in or create a new account. Click on the red login button and enter current login info, or click Register Now to create a new account. Once you register a new account, you will need to log in using the new info to start. Then you can move directly into the heat loss calculator. Let's talk about the heat loss calculator, how to add job, floor and room, and choosing product. The box on the left, labeled My Location, shows you where in the app you are currently located. It is your navigation guide. The editable job list will appear on the right, which is labeled View Edit Jobs. We will come back to this after entering a job. The best way to show you how to use this app is to create a new job together. Let's start by entering in a job title, something relevant to the job. We'll call this Job 1. Click in the date field and choose the current date from the pop-up calendar. Hit the Add Job button to add another job, or hit the Edit Floor button to enter a floor. Enter floor name. Again, could be floor 1 or something relevant, basement or first floor. In this case, we'll leave it as floor 1. Then you can hit the Add Floor to add another floor, or hit the Edit Room button to move on. We will hit Next and then add a room, named Room 1, and hit the Edit Room Detail button. You can always hit the back button to go back to the prior screen. You will come to the room screen to fill in the specific data and choose your options. Takeoff sheet and heat loss calculator sheet are available on the left to download to collect job data if you wish. Let's enter 15 feet for the room height, 45 feet for the room length, and 30 feet for the room width. For the size of the door, as with most of these line items, it gives you the option to manually enter the size you've already calculated, or click on the arrow to choose an option instead. For now, we'll click on the arrow. In this separate window that popped up, click on Add New. We'll enter one door at a length of 48 inches and a height of 75 inches. Then hit the Save button. If you want to add a different sized door, you can click New, but for now this room will have one door. So we can either click on the calculated size on the blue button, or the X button to return to the room screen. Next, we can choose the door factor by clicking the arrow. Let's choose the double glazed 1/4-inch airspace option for a factor of 0.65. Follow these steps for the glass and the rest of the features. Finally, we'll input 70 degrees for the indoor temperature and 20 degrees for the outdoor temperature. Hit the Save and Calculate button to save the information and calculate the BTUs for this particular room. That number will appear in the red bar on the bottom of the page, along with an info button for more helpful directions. The next step would be to choose one or more baseboard from the suggested options at the bottom. When we click on the Multipack 80H-3, the product information opens with all of the baseboard specs. After you've chosen your baseboard, you need to hit either Save and Add New Room or Save and Finish Job, which brings you directly to that job summary. Now we will talk about the boiler and baseboard selectors.